now I've just decided that there are these many brands on Instagram that are very interesting. These in Telugu we call it kotta kotta brands, like new brands. So I mean, like it's intriguing to know what they have to offer. And there is this one brand called Ayom Flawless Skin, daily nourishment gummies, hydrates skins and smoothens line, vegan, gluten free, no gelatin, soya free. It's a health supplement and it looks like this. And I just tasted it and oh my god, it is so good. So really, people, I can't. This is for just 6.99. You get this cute little bottle, and no, I'll say this. I wanted to try it out and know for myself how this brand is, and I tried it, and it is really good. And this is out of my own free will. I'm not, if it was a paid promotion, I'd let you all know. But this is something, like, as a person, I like to do research on any given subject, which is the best thing. So I just tasted it. 30 gummies, that's what it says. There are 30 gummies in this bottle. And probably it's today's Jan 9th as I'm recording it. So for the next 30 days, I'll try out these gummies. And apparently it helps with flawless skin. So really, people, this brand is called Ayom, and it seems quite interesting. I'm going to just take a look at it and see whether it will really help with the skin. And they are so cute and so easy to eat and chewable. If you were to take a look at it, it's shaped as a little gummy, a little teddy bear. But seriously, good brand. So you can find it on Instagram. It's called Ayom, Ayom. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.